have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Dussehra. Dussehra celebrations were about to take place at school, and preparations were in full swing. Gattu and Chinky were sitting and making Ravan in their auditorium with their friends and Art Ma'am.
Oh, there are only 2 hours left before school gets over, and we still have so much to work to.
You are right, Chinky. We still have to make Ravan's 10 heads and then paint them also. Children, this work will be easily done in 2 hours. You can also take a lunch before that. You have been working on making this Ravan since morning.
Just then, the lunch bell rings.
Look, the lunch bell is rung. Now all of you stop this work and eat lunch. Then make the Ravan quickly.
Okay, ma'am. Come on, friends. Let's put all this stuff aside and take a lunch break. Okay.
Art Ma'am also goes for lunch, and all the children sit there in the auditorium itself and start having lunch.
Look, friends. Today my mom gave me white sauce pasta for lunch.
And my mom has given me Indian pasta like always. That too, the spicy one. But I like this one too.
You are right, Hari. Your mummy's Indian pasta is the best. And look, today I have my favorite pancakes in my tiffin. Yes, I also like them.
All the kids are talking among themselves when Monty comes from behind into the auditorium. And then he suddenly takes the tiffin from Gattu's hand and says,
What did you say? Pancakes? Wow. These are looking really good. Should I try them?
Hey Monty, give back my tiffin right now.
What? But why? And by the way, who made that face on Ravan?
Me. Why?
That is why. Isn't he looking like you? Just look.
Hearing this, Gattu starts getting very angry.
Forget it, Gattu. Don't listen to him. He's just trying to make you angry. You don't react only. Monty, quickly return Gattu's lunch.
Okay. And if I don't, then I won't leave you, Monty.
Don't dare do it. Huh.
Okay. For that, first catch a hold of me. Gattu the Ravan.
When Monty makes fun of Gattu like this, then Gattu gets very angry. And he drops everything and runs after Monty.
Wait, Monty. I'll teach you a lesson right now. Hey, Gattu, leave him be. If we complain to ma'am about him right now, Monty will give the tiffin himself.
Chinky tries to stop Gattu, but it's too late. Monty has taken Gattu's tiffin and run out of the auditorium. And Gattu ran after him.
What should we do now, friends? Gattu has left.
Oh no. What now? Come on, let's go and find Monty and Gattu together.
But then how will all this work be done? This Gattu too. We have so little time left to make the Ravan, and at a time like this, he went after Monty. But we have to find Gattu. How will this work be completed without Gattu?
But if we all go away, it won't get done at all. Let's do one thing. Goody Bunty, you two stay and work here. And I and Chinky are going to find Gattu.
Okay.
Saying this, Hari and Chinky go looking for Gattu and Monty. But they can't find them anywhere in the school.
Oh, we are not in any classroom, not in the computer room, not in the dance room too. Where did they go after all?
Come on, Chinky. Let's go to the playground. Maybe they'll be there.
Okay, Hari, let's go.
Chinky and Hari go to the playground and see. Stalls were set up there too because of Dussehra. And Gattu was running after Monty.
Stop, Monty. I am not going to leave you today. Stop.
I won't stop. What will you do?
I'll tell you right now. Look, Hari. There's Gattu and Monty. Let's go. Gattu, stop! Otherwise we'll be too late to finish the work. No, now I am definitely going to teach this Monty a lesson.
Gattu was so angry that he wouldn't listen to anyone and kept running after Monty. But then suddenly Art Ma'am arrives over there. Goodly and Bunty were following her. Seeing everyone running on the ground, Ma'am shouts and says,
Enough! It's enough! Everyone stop!
Seeing Ma'am, Monty leaves the tiffin on the ground and runs away. Gattu, Chinky, Hari stop and stay in their places.
Gattu and everyone else, come to the auditorium right now.
Everyone enters the auditorium hesitantly. As soon as they reach the auditorium, Gattu speaks first.
Ma'am, it's not my fault. It was Monty who made me angry. And he ran away with my tiffin. Oh, and what did you do, Gattu? You also got angry and ran after him. So then, you both are the same, right? What does that mean, ma'am? I'll tell you now, Gattu. When Ravana used his magic to send a golden deer outside Sita Mata's hut to kidnap her, then Sita Mata insisted that she wanted that very golden deer. Because of this, Ramji went to catch that golden deer. This meant that he too was distracted because of Ravana. And then at that very moment, Ravana went and kidnapped Sita Mata. Similarly, you too were distracted by Monty, and the entire task of making your Ravana remained incomplete. Now did you understand? Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right. That is why we should focus on our work and not get distracted by anything so easily. And to correct a bad thing, we shouldn't become bad ourselves. Instead, we should always show goodness. You should have offered Monty the tiffin yourself. And if then also he was bothering you, then you should have come and complained to me. I would have explained it to Monty. Ma'am's right, Gattu. Now look, there's only half an hour left until school gets over. And we still have so much work left to do. Even if we start now, this won't get finished. Don't say that, Bunty Beta. We should at least try. And if there's something left, you guys can come a little early in the morning and finish this work. Okay, ma'am.
Then all the children get together again and start making Ravan. And everyone works so hard that the task is completed in just half an hour. And the Ravan is completed and ready.
Yes, our work is done. And with this, we also got such a great lesson today. Yes, Gattu. Now together we all will celebrate Dashera in a good way tomorrow.
The next day, everyone celebrates Ravan Dahan at school. Gattu comes dressed as Lord Ram.
Wow, Gattu, you look really good in this Ramji getup. Absolutely awesome. Thank you, friends.
Then Gattu goes forward and shoots the arrow with his bow. As soon as the arrow hits the Ravan, it starts burning. Everyone watches intently as the fire burns. All the children start clapping loudly.
Come on, friends. Now let's check out all the stalls. There are lots of games there and tasty snacks too. Okay, let's go.
Then everyone had a great time. And Gattu always remembers the lesson he learned from Art Ma'am today.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.